Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add 10 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write 3 things my heart loves. Now choose font and style according to you, and then place the text. Now apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check the video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.